Investors are starting to realise that growing their pension pots can also contribute to their communities. That's according to fund manager IFM Investors, which co-owns Manchester Airport, along with 10 councils in the northwest of England. It sees it as a case study of investing working people's retirement savings, where profit is built on long-term investment in the community.
The recovery starts here for Manchester Airport as flights resume and it can start working again for the community.
It is a prime economic generator, not just for the City of Manchester, but for Greater Manchester and the wider region. It is a business. If it's a successful business, then it gives us a return, and that return can be invested back into services for the people of the city.
The partnership with IFM Investors has been crucial to the growth of the Manchester Airports Group, or MAG. They also own East Midlands and Stansted Airports.
Since IFM joined us over 10 years ago, MAG has gone from strength to strength. So pre-IFM's entry into MAG as a key equity partner, we were handling in the region of 20-25 million passengers. Shortly thereafter, we acquired with IFM Stansted Airport, and pre-COVID, last year, we handled 62 million passengers.
We felt that Manchester Airports was a really great opportunity to invest in the UK, to invest in the economy and society here, but to do so alongside the Greater Manchester councils.
IFM's European investment portfolio is all infrastructure. As well as airports, it focuses on utilities that people use every day and other essential businesses.
And these businesses, because of that long-term nature, are very, very well suited to providing future retirement income to pensioners.
A key example of this long-term investment approach is the Manchester Airport's transformation programme. Nearly £1 billion has been invested here to boost both employment opportunities and the customer experience. The programme has generated nearly 1,800 new jobs so far, most of them going to local businesses. It's also created 100 apprenticeships.
It's a significant project, certainly the largest in the northwest over the last 5 years. It will certainly bring in more long-haul airlines from east and west. So we do expect more from America, we do expect more from Asia, more from China. They are looking for better facilities, modern facilities, more digitisation, and we will give them that.
MAG's investment in an aviation technical college based at Stansted Airport is another element of their long-term vision.
It's something that's incredibly important to the future viability of the airport, because it means that we've got great, experienced and really well-trained people who understand the airlines and the aviation business.
Bringing IFM into the business meant MAG could operate dynamically in the private sector and pursue new ideas.
We wanted to bring an investor in who would think in a different way, who would actually think about how the business could accelerate its growth ambitions, how it could actually look to introduce best practice from other assets, and actually a fund that had the desire, the willingness to actually support the long-term growth of Manchester Airports Group.
What we wanted was an investor that had the same long-term interests that we've got. We didn't want, for example, a venture capital company that wants to come in, make a quick return and be out. We wanted a good, stable investor that we could have a genuine partnership with.
IFM and other investors also helped the airport group survive COVID.
We knew we needed the support of IFM and our other shareholders to put new equity into the business to ensure that we would come through that 12 to 18 month period.
I expect us to get back onto the growth trajectory with our UK airports, and for us to be an increasingly successful business based on that long-term partnership.
The reason we prefer a long-term approach is it allows us to steward these assets carefully over a long term. People are saving their entire working lives for their future retirement. We want to first and foremost make sure their money works as long as hard as they did, but also that money they saved is protected.
IFM believe in an investment virtuous circle, with the durable assets they back and community value reinforcing each other. The environment they hope to create is win-win for pension funds and society at large.